and welcome to One Man's Collection. My name's Brett. Today I'm looking at my Maisto or Maisto. I have no idea how to pronounce that. This is a special edition Volkswagen. Again, I don't know how to pronounce it, but VW Beetle 1955. And I'm also going to show off before that one that I've already opened previously, and that's a 1950 Volkswagen. And I am going to compare the two. So this particular one I've had, I think, for a couple of years now. That mirror looks like it's gone out too far. It is also, no, this is a Welly, so it's not a Maisto, it's actually the Welly. Classic, was it Volkswagen Classic Beetle, no, 118 scale, 4419, so 2019. So I've actually had this for quite a while. Long enough for me to go online and purchase some decals for the Herbie kit, so I could potentially turn this into a love bug. I think the love bug's the one with the rag top. So before we open the one at the back, I'll come back to you. Let's go through the Welly. Does look like I've got a bit of dust on there. Does sit on my shelf. 1950, very nice. We do have a badge printed on the front there, quite decent, and I will get small plastic grip to open the front. Alright, let's see if we can get that on with light. It's going to be very difficult. Can we lighten that? So we've got a fuel cap. It actually has Volkswagen print on it. Maybe what I can do is get it back here and we'll zoom you guys in. There we go. Can we lift that? Alright. It's very dark in there. Oh, that's going to be overexposed. But you can see that there's actually a Volkswagen cap print on there. We've got other parts on the back. Spare wheel. Oh, actually it is loose. Oh my god, can I actually take that out? Yeah, probably. I'm not going to, because I may have trouble putting it back in. But that does feel loose. The Welly car's done really well. Okay, doors. Let's try this little tool again. Through the door handle. Actually, that wants to come open quite nicely. Oh, very nice inside. I have no idea when I bought this one. I saw it and I thought, yep. Okay, handbrake is in wood colour. Can we zoom in again? There we go. Let's see if we can lighten that up. Handbrake's in a wood colour. Shifter has a black but chrome, maybe actually painted. Yeah, I think it's just painted the same colour. See if we can lock that in for a second. The dash, very well done. Yeah, mirror on the top. What else do we have up there? Visors. Passenger, no, I can't get on the camera. Passenger visor as well. Does the seat come forward? Certainly looks like it does. No. Okay. Let's reset that. Have a look in the back. Oh, hang on, we'll try the driver's side too. We do have that one mirror there. It had a bit of a creak sound to it. Black pedals on the floor. Well done. Seal that. Now we've got the split window on the back. Very nice. Okay, I'm definitely going to have to use that tool again. Oh, I don't want to turn that. Maybe can we lift? No, let's get under there. Alright, that's as high as it will go. But taking a look in there, can we put something underneath here to mount this up? What have we got? Go for a GoPro mount. There we go. They've actually done really well in here. So it looks like the, what is that? Oil filter. I actually don't remember how the Volkswagen motor is set up, but I know they're like a flat 4 like the Subaru, but air cooled. 1950s, very well done. So you got some chrome parts, red painted part. This has got some detail. Welly, well done. Okay, we'll park you aside and we'll go and open up the Maisto. I have not yet opened this one. I did buy it last year, so I've had this for over 12 months. So the 55, this is not a split window. Do we have a tape here? Yes, we do. Okay, so I'll just slice this open. This was the Costco 2023 released vehicle. When I say Costco, sold through Costco, and they may still be supplying the local Costco or stores, but 2023 is when this particular one I got. Numbers on there 12/3/22, but it is a license of 2023. So let's go and take it out of its box. We don't need the cardboard with it, so that can go back in the box. I actually do keep the boxes for these ones. If I display this without the base, I'm just going to make a bit of a racket trying to get in there. If I display this without the base, I put the base back in the cardboard box and I put them in a airtight container and store them away. I kind of like this one too. Tell you what, it's got some weight in it. Alright, standard screws will actually let it out. So let's do that now. When I say standard screws, Phillips head screwdriver will actually do the job, as opposed to some that have hex or triangle or even a star. To be honest, I don't know why. Maybe it's to stop kids getting in. Any hobby collector like myself is going to have a little kit that comes with multiple types. I like the white walled tires on this too, which is why I bought this one. I'm thinking not just because of the white walled tires, but because it was a good looking car. Alright, we're going to have trouble getting that out. Let's try not to damage the base of the car. Okay. We also have one over the front, so we'll do that as well. Although that looks like it might peel off easy enough. Okay, take the front one off, and oh, we actually have one on the rear as well. Very small, thin elastic. Yep, there we go. Done. So let's have a look at this one in more detail. Oh, the mirror is very delicate on the side there. Let's start at the front like we did with the last one. Is my bumper sideways? Looked like one side was out further than the other. Maybe not. Alright, let's get the front open. Oh, it's also got the little badge there. Very nice. Okay, well, this one's got a hubcap on the spare wheel and a white. Oh, it's loose too. Oh my god, this one actually wants to come out even easier. Although, that's as far as it seems to want to go. Okay, it's probably attached. Maybe not. I don't know. It may actually just be too difficult to get something past. But that's cool how it's actually movable. We do have the Volkswagen on the cap there as well, but nothing on the back wall like the other, the Welly one. I'm still happy with it. We do have a license plate hanging down now. Alright, is that gone bright? Yeah, no, let me just get that locked in. Alright, passenger side. Oh, that's a little stiff. Yep, okay. They haven't painted in on the frame there though. We do have a... Okay, we've got a dial now in behind the steering wheel rather than the centre. I don't think I can get that front to go down. Maybe because the wheel's in the way. Seats, nope, they don't want to move. Does look like a leather or vinyl, depending on what they were using back then. Patterned seat. Okay, we've got a black wheel on this one. Let's see if we can zoom this to... There we go, chrome shifter and chrome pedals. You have the dashboard behind the wheel on this particular one rather than in the center. And let's reset that. Okay, it doesn't spring back. We also have steering. Yep, most of these do. Try the drivers first. That's what I was talking about. No visors, but we do have a patterned roof. So the roof lining is actually the same as the seat, with the pattern and the same as the door. Can we focus on that? Yeah, with some chrome handles and lock. Nice. All right, there is a massive gap here. It is larger there than it is there. I wonder if something not fitted right, maybe because it had to open. Okay, somebody's done a little bit more work on the engine, or it's a more complex engine. Well done with that. Let's see if we can get this mounted the same as we did with the last one and have a zoom in. All right. Lots of chrome used. I don't mind the touch of red paint. That's very good. Is that a black belt? It is too. Okay, so the belt is black and the chrome pulleys and stuff is silver. Wow, somebody's gone to the chrome plating on this one, haven't they? Very good. So comparing with the Welly, I think the front in the Welly was done better with the extra stuff. The engine, obviously this is an earlier engine. I think they're both done very well. We have a textured rear bumper on this one, kind of like it's been cross cut to make it look, I don't know, fancy. Like a diamond cut on the actual chrome. Single small window at the rear. I'll tell you what though, the weight of this particular one, this feels much heavier. Can we get that wheel end down any further? Okay, so can't quite shut the front with that. But a nice set of Volkswagen Beetles. The Maisto one is at least, I don't know, maybe half as heavy again as the Welly one. It does look lower as well. You can see the height, but we are talking, they're not the same car. There's a 50 and a 55, so this one's a lot squatter, less of the round, but it may have been progress shape, I don't know. Maisto one, your back window is not sitting in properly either. I can see that there's a gap there, and this is a huge gap there. That's a disappointment. How are we going there? That's actually smooth all the way across. Look, for the price you pay, to be honest, not bad. Not bad at all. All right, thanks for watching. That's going to be the end of my review on this one. Like, comment, subscribe, all the rest. I will continue to open up a bunch of more of my Maisto collection from 2023's collection. The mirror is definitely needed to move around. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.